Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing the IntelliARMOR Power Hub. It's a wireless charging station. It includes wireless charging, of course, USB-C, power delivery, and USB-A, along with PowerPort power as well. Take it out of the box now. It's all one unit, self-contained, right here. Okay, and so on the front is where you can put your phone or other wireless charging device. It provides up to 10 watts of fast wireless charging. It also provides 7.5 watts for the iPhones and 5 watts for the other devices. It has two coils in here, one for vertical placement and one for horizontal placement. And on the side, we have two USB-A charging ports. This provides 5 volts, 2 amps on each. And then on the back, you have your two UL certified power ports right there, 3-prong model. You have quite a long cord as well. And I like that it has air ports on the side so it can breathe when it gets hot and you're using all the power ports at the same time. And it has an 18-watt power delivery USB-C port. This is something I don't see on a lot of these desktop chargers, especially the full-size power ports on the back. And then you have a power switch to turn it on or to turn it off to save on the power leak. We like that it's wireless charging capable and you have multiple other wired charging capable ports on this box. We'll quickly give you some details on the back. You can pause the video anytime and take a look right there. And this is from IntelliARMOR, and this is the Power Hub wireless charging station. It's universal for pretty much all of your devices. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.